Good morning student. Today we are going to see lesson number 14, maps and symbol. In last video we have seen that lesson number 13, direction and map. Now come to the page number 86. Try this. Observe the area around your school house carefully. Students, we have to observe the area around your school and house carefully. Make a list of all the things you find in the area. You have to make a list of all the things you find in the area. Write this thing in your notebook. There are 8 different things in the picture shown above. Of these, some things are man-made, while others have formed naturally. They can be classified as shown below. See here, students. There are 8 different things in the picture shown above. How many things are shown in the picture? 8. Which are they? River, trees, hill, grass, school, water tower, house and road. Okay. So of these mean from this picture, some of things are man-made. See here, what is the meaning of man-made? Made by man. While others have formed naturally. Means we are getting only from nature. They can be classified as shown below. These things here classified in two ways, that is the natural and man-made. Which are the natural things here? A river, trees, hill and grass. And man-made things which are here? A school, water tower, a house and road. Students, you have to observe this picture carefully and write in your notebook, that is the which are the natural things and which are the man-made things. Okay. You have also made a list of things seen in your area. Classify the items your list into natural and man-made things. See here, this is the small activity for you. You have to observe your own area near about your house and write in your notebooks which things you have seen in your area and classify that things into natural and man-made. Okay, this is a small activity and you have to submit me on my WhatsApp number. Always remember that man-made objects are made from natural resources. Always remember that all man-made objects are made from natural resources. For example, we make a chair, table, benches, etc. from the wood, often from trees. Which are the man-made things here? That is a chair, table, benches. Okay, these are the man-made things. But these man-made things we are getting from the nature. Means chair, table and benches, we are using the raw material, that is the wood, and we get wood from the trees here. Okay. Now come to the next page. Page number 87. See here, the picture above shows the area around Anju's house and school. Okay. Complete the activity below with the help of picture. Find Anju's house in the picture. Where is Anju's house? See here, this is the Anju's house. Okay. Find her school in the pictures. We have to find out the Anju's school. See here. Then find a route from Anju's house to her school and color it. You can find it easily, the route from Anju's house to her school. See here. Okay. Note the things seen on the way from the house to the schools. You have to find out some things from Anju's house to her school. Which things? See here, banana tree, then hotel, police chowki, telephone exchange office, etc. You have found the route that Anju's house will take to go her school. Anju passes along a narrow lane and main road on her way to school. There are several things on both sides of the lane as well as the road. You have to observe this picture carefully and mention in your notebook. Write the things, write the direction in which places on the narrow lane are situated. See here, direction is given here: north, south, west and east. Write the direction in which places on the main road are situated. See here, on which direction main road are situated here, that is the east. Okay, and north also. Mention the direction in which she must turn on the way to school, that is the west direction. A smaller picture of Anju's house and locality is given on the next page. A smaller picture of Anju's house and locality is given on the next page, means on page number 88. However, realistic picture of trees and buildings are not shown in it. In their places, certain symbols are drawn. Instead of building and trees, some symbols are given there. What these symbols represent is also mentioned against each of them. Note that some of the things seen in the locality have not been shown in this picture. Such a picture is called a sketch. Students, come to the page number 88. See here, sketch is given here. Okay. Study the sketch and do the following. You have to first observe that sketch carefully. Draw the symbol used to represent the house. See here, this is the symbol for house. Next to the symbol, write the number of times it appears in the sketch. Means that symbol, how many times found in the sketch, you have to write the number. See here, how many times found? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Draw the symbol used to represent the tree. See here, this is the symbol for tree. You have to draw this symbol in your notebook. Next to the symbol, write the number of trees seen in the sketch. Students, you have to draw the symbol of tree and in front of them you have to write the number of trees found in the sketch. Okay. Then list the things in Anju's locality that do not appear in this sketch. You have to list the things in Anju's locality that do not appear in this sketch. You have to observe the picture from page number 87 and write there. We made use of different symbols while making this sketch. We made a different symbols while making the sketch according to our choice. You have to give the color also according to your choice. To convert a sketch into a map, you need to show the directions. If you want to convert this sketch into map, you need to show the direction first and include an index, title and scales. Students, you have to remember here, if you want to this sketch convert into the map, what we have to need? First, that is the direction, index, title and scale. Okay. Moving objects are not included on a map. Always remember that. People walking, moving vehicles are not shown on the map. Then what we have shown on the map, that is the direction, index, title and scale. A winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turn on a map. That is how roads, rivers and railways lines are always shown on the map. Now students, a map of Anju's house and locality is given here. See here. This is the map of Anju's house and locality. When you make a map of your locality, first you have to find out the how many things in your area, then make a list, then you have to make a sketch and then you have to make a map of your own area. When you make a map of your own locality, compare it with this map. You have to compare the map of your own area and Anju's house. Are there any component missing in your map? Add them. See here, some symbols are representing here. Okay. For example, tree, then colony, bus stop, park, house, central market, hotel, telephone exchange, Jilla Parishad, then statue, Anju school, district office, hospital, ice cream parlor, post office and police chowki. Okay. And students, you have to give them color according to your choice. Okay. Now some scale is given here. See here, Anju's house and surrounding. See here, here is the name of that map, that is the Anju's house and surrounding, that is called the title. Here is given the scale and this is the index. Okay. And here is given the direction also. Students, you have to make a map of your own, own locality here also. Okay. And compare with the Anju's house and locality map. Now students, in next period we will see the page number 89 and 90. Now we have to stop here. Thank you.